Guys, wave.
4.
Wave.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, buddy.
2. 1.
Okay, go ahead.
0.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it.
Stop. Stop.
Whoa!
Yeah. Where'd it go? I got it.
Don't know where it is. There it is.
I got it.
Can't even see it. Where's the launch pad, people? There they are. Oh, he took off. He's way over there.
I got it.
Gonna fall in the puddle? Oh man, that's way up there.
Oh, there it comes. Swirling and swirling to earth.
There it is.
It's okay. She crossed over that mud puddle. She was a mess. Look at her run. Because it's her rocket.
Look at her tech. Michael! Michael!
Anybody else, pick it up. Off me. Don't help me.
He's gonna go punch him. I wish you'll pop him.
Why don't we get to pick up ours?
And the little brother runs over and steals it.
Come on, Andrew. Bring it here. Still in there? You gotta get that on video. Good. Do that again, Michael.
No. Yeah.
Good job! We were launch rocket buddies. Good job.
Not funny and you know it. Yes, it is funny. You just don't think so because you're doing it.